I'm gonna do some major editing. So, you are new. My name is Emma. I'm a 20-something college student, just kind of documenting my journey with spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy. Basically, this video is a new video for me. I kind of wanted to document some things that I'm doing with school as well as some other things for you, so I hope you like it. This video is going to be a room tour. Okay, so basically how this video is going to work, sorry for the close-up, I'm trying to get used to like holding this with the vlogging arm, is I'm going to show you a full view of what my room looks like, tell you a little bit about my room and like where I live, and like what kind of room style I live in, and then tell you about each thing. Okay, so I am currently a senior at a small college in North Georgia. I live in an apartment style on-campus housing, which basically means I have right now you can have up to 3 roommates plus myself. So right now I actually only have 2, and they are great and fabulous. And I love them, and it's just an exciting experience getting to know them and everything. So what happens is there are 2 bathrooms, and both people, like, you split it between 2 people. So I share a bathroom with another person, and we all share a kitchen and a living room. So that's kind of our living situation. So now here we go. Alright, so here we go. If you're walking into my room, this is what you see. I obviously have a picture of Taylor Swift and some encouraging notes from friends and a trash can. And here's the overall view of my room again. So it's a pretty good space. So now I'm coming back to the view of Taylor Swift, just a read poster. These are some notes from my former cohort. They wrote like words of encouragement. This is my Creations by Kittles. I'm gonna put her Instagram link in here, and then of course my coffee station, because I am addicted to coffee. Here I just have my Keurigs, and then I put like sugar and granola bars with creamer, and then like trash bags and straws in this one. It just has like some random stuff in there. So now we're moving on to my sign that says you can't buy happiness, but you can buy coffee, and that's pretty close. My closet. Up top I have some shoes, obviously some binders, and my rollers, and my stretching strap, and towels. My sign that has the date of my graduation or when I get my diploma. Laundry. And more clothes again. And down here I just have shoes. Down here is like essential oils and all that. And there's a bag for like travels. This is my bed. I have 2 kind of pillows and then one behind it. I actually do have a mattress pad too, and it makes it more comfortable. That bag is there for real life. Here is some pictures of my family and friends, just making more homey, along with my Live, Laugh, Love sign. And on this thing I just have like a lamp, my phone, and then this has actually been with me since my freshman year of college. So here's some more pictures and a calendar and a sweet poem that my friend gave me. So over here, that you're starting to see now is like my wall quotes, and then I have a pillow down here. It's kind of like a little space, and it says hello, and I got it from Walmart. Up here is kind of like my wall of quotes. I'm gonna zoom in on some signs for you guys to see, so you can see every one of them. But I'm really big on this whole idea of signs, to just kind of keep as an inspiration. This is my desk. It's like my favorite part. I love the way it's set up. I have some books on the top of the picture, and I have just some signs put up by Command Strip. A friend actually made that one for me, and the other one came from the Dollar Spots. And the rug I got from, I think, Target. and it's just a gray plush rug. There's my desk again. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on my social media handle or my social media outlets, which are Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Um, Facebook is that CP chick. Instagram is right here at that CP chick, no spaces or anything. And then Twitter, I think, is at that CP chick blog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you either in the next vlog or the very next video.